Hey guys, I'm back with some more Cube World. I haven't done this in a while, but you might have noticed that I uploaded a few little Cube World shorts. So we're in Hum, I guess. I don't remember. I guess we're in Hum, maybe. If not, who cares? Okay, where am I? Okay. Collecting pineapples. Oh my gosh, there's so many pineapples. There's so many pineapples. I actually don't like pineapples, but in this game, your character will eat anything edible. Like, if it's able to be eaten, your character will eat it. Okay, I can't remember. Did we go into the village yet? We might have. Just harvesting these on my way out. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like it. Sorry, I'm not feeling like 100% today. I'm kind of sick, so it's quite an effort for me to do this video for you guys. So you're welcome. Sorry. I took like 3 rounds of medicine last night. I'm really sick. So far we haven't even leveled up once. A little bit less than halfway. 50 to start off with. I have 20. I just sworn I heard noises. Like other people. Other footsteps. Oh, there it is, a terrier. That's what it was. Wait, no, that's too far away. I could have sworn I heard something. But... should I? I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh my god, I'm gonna die! I think it's a bit loud. I'm gonna adjust this volume. So there's gonna be a volume change in this video. Very rarely do I do that. Rarely ever change settings in the middle of a video. So, what I did for the, montage was I used something called Windows Movie Maker, which is in my computer. So, I recorded a whole bunch of footage for it, with my character Skylar. She's a different ranger that I have. But I recorded a whole bunch of footage for it, and, I edited it together with I put little slides in between. It's actually what I wanted to do all along, so it worked out really well. And I am proud of it. Proud. Very proud. I don't know why I'm sticking to the path. Probably because I'm level 1, so it's safest. Hey, look, it's a campsite. I wish I could make s'mores. I actually can't eat s'mores in real life. I have a retainer, which is not why I pronounce s'mores schmores. I just like to pronounce it like that. It's funny. Hey, look, it's Ally or Ally. I want to get some XP. Kill it for me. Yeah, I want some XP. What's EXP? Yay! Did I get EXP? Yay! Ooh, linen. Good. When I level up, I can wear those. Not next level, but you guys get my point. When I level up enough. I wish I could follow her. Because, but I can't because whenever you get too close to them, they'll stop and stare at you. So. Oh my god. A horde of lizard men. Why are they like following my angle? That's creepy. It's creepy. So. Ugh, dog. My dog's behind me. Pushing on my chair. No, she got up and walked away. You know, have you ever heard of a dog who doesn't play fetch? Because my dog will not play fetch. Like, I'll throw something for her. She'll start to go get it, but then she'll stop and look up at me like if you want it, go get it. But like, I don't understand. She's a Labrador Retriever, so I don't understand why she won't go get it. Like, I even encourage her, go get it, go get it, go get it. But sometimes she'll even sit and lie down, just looking up at me, waiting for me to go get it. While I'm waiting for her to go get it. Super cat. She's so super, and she's a cat. And she's a super cat. Nya 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 nya. Why is there nothing for me to kill? Like there's literally nothing for me to kill. All you see around me is the stars, the beautiful clouds, and my pet cat, and the mountains and the trees and the sounds of nature. That was weird. I'm not used to going this slow because you might have noticed from my character Skylar, if you watched the keyboard montage yet, which you might not have because it's really long. But if you did, you might have noticed that she can go faster and she can jump really far and she can kick. That is because of the ranger abilities that you get when you level up. Here, guys, protect me while I explain. So, I want to be a scout. So this is kick, which is basically a kick. It's like a spin kick. You can pick up your foot. Retreat is that jump. If you face your character as if you're somebody else and press the hotkey, then you'll jump really far. Scout sniffness makes you go fast and you can attack faster. Pet master is your pets become stronger. You can ride your pets with riding. Climbing, you can climb faster and it's more effective. And you can hang glide. Swimming, you can swim faster, and sailing, you can boat. Sniper is aim. You lay down and stealth and go to stealth, which increases your damage, and regenerates magic points, which is this. I don't have any of that at this point, but that would do absolutely no damage. Who's that, a bark beetle? They're red, right? Yeah, those are guys that are red, and I'm a ranger, so. Oh, those orcs are still there. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here, pet. You too. Guys, wait. 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 You guys just wait. Help me. Help me. Help me! Thank you! I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh wow, we did make it. Oh, sorry for your loss. Kaz. Bye, Kaz. That gave you like 13 XP. It was helpful. I like pie. Not really, I don't really like pie. Sorry, like I said, I'm not feeling 100%. I didn't go to school on Friday because I was sick. And now it's Monday. The reason I'm not in school is because it's February vacation. I also probably wouldn't be in school anyway because I'm sick. Which it wasn't February vacation. I have been for like the whole weekend, so it's frustrating. It's frustrating. By the way, I thought I just slipped this bad news in here. My mic wasn't turned on for the duration of the video. I tried to record it, but my mic wasn't on. So, I couldn't upload a wordless video. I have in the past, but those are because I was prepared for it. But I wasn't prepared for my mic to be off. So it was unusable. And I had done so much in that video that there was no way I could just go back. So I had to scrap it, which means I had to scrap the world and the series. So, look out for a reboot. Keep on the lookout. That laughter you hear in the background is my mom. If you even hear that. I don't know. And my brother, Nightwing616 does things. Check out his channel. He only got 3 videos, but still. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Make sure to check out his channel. And he's playing his game. He is loud. I don't know. I don't even know if you heard my dad. He's quiet when he wants to be, but in the library he talks in a regular voice and people stare. I think there's a fight going on above me. Good try, Clem. See if it's a baddie that I can destroy. Where is it? Where is it? Is it over there? Oh, sorry. That super cat was an evil guy. That was good. It's good. Kill me. Make me disappear into a bunch of little pixels. I don't have a lot at all. I barely have any. I only have 1 pet and nothing to tame more. So, Cherry is kind of lame. One thing I forgot to say in my Cuba and montage video is, vote for your favorite one, and whichever one wins, I will upload in its own video. No, that's not a good reward, because you can just see it there. You know what? I'm gonna think about that over the course of this video. What the winner's prize is. Oh, I have a better contest. Whoever can guess which one mine is, gets my reply. How about that? Yeah, because I don't reply to just anybody's comments. There are very specific comments I have to reply to. Is that bad guy? This is a bad guy. Oh yes, I'm gonna take him on. What? I only got 1 XP? You're kidding, right? Okay, let's see what this is. A duckbill, okay. Maybe one of these days I'll do a tutorial on how to use Windows Movie Maker. It's actually pretty simple. I bet you could figure it out yourself, but I bet it'd be helpful. Roll, roll. I could just roll everywhere. Roll. See me rolling. Cat. It's a super cat. The cat is so super, super cat. Cat is so super. Because it's smiling. That's an evil smile. Well, I'm gonna tree myself. I'm gonna full Hunger Games. If I can find a good tree to climb. If you've seen the montage, you'll see the oh my god, he's chasing me! You'll see that I named him the final night of the Hunger Games. Now, if you ever watched the Hunger Games or read the book, you'll know what I mean. If you haven't, then you'll have no idea what that is. And if you don't know what the Hunger Games is, then I don't know who you are. Well, obviously I don't know who you are. That'd be creepy. That would just be creepy if I knew who you are. I know where you live. That was creepy. I actually don't know where anybody lives anymore. I don't even remember my own address. Anyways, I think we're gonna end this off here. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Sorry for the shortness. Wait, what am I doing? Bye.